Happy Wednesday, everybody. Let's do a quick update. Today, MES, you can see S&P 500 chart touching the buy zone and bouncing, and now it's in the sell zone. You can see here from buy zone to the sell zone, it's almost 1.16% up. Nasdaq also came very close to buy zone yesterday. This was end of day, and then it bounced. Okay, so from here now it's opening above the sell zone. So you can see 1.75% pump there as well. Dow Jones also very similar. All indices are following this chart very nicely, and then now it's again 1.23% up as well. All right, so let's go and review SPX cycle chart, and then we'll review all the commodities and all indices, and at the end we'll wrap up with FANG index. We'll see how it goes. All right, so SPX chart, we are looking for this pump. Nothing else changed. Looking for this pump for next 2 weeks. June 20th is the cycle top. So exactly that's how we're getting 7 counts buy signal, and now we're looking for a pump. All right, so nothing else changed. And now let's do a side-by-side comparison. I will have a day trading chart left side, which is only for day trading, and right side is for swing trading. And let's see how things are looking. And if you guys want to know more about these indicators, I'm posting buy and sell zones every hour to my subscriber. Click on the join button and join, and let me know your user ID on Discord group, and I will add you to members only section. One trade you can make for the entire membership fees. All right, so you can see right now in the sell zone. All right, so what happens in the sell zone? We don't do anything. We take profits. All right, and yesterday also you can see here it was in the sell zone and dumped, and now again it's in the sell zone. So we'll see how it goes. Now SPY is opening on a gap up. You can see this is SPY opening on a gap up, 0.38% gap, and I put a gap down here around 528. So it could go lower, market open, fill this gap, and then go higher again. All right, so just keep that in mind. So again, so it's in the sell zone, time to take profits, price above all moving averages. It's going towards new highs or equal highs. So next 2 weeks, I'm looking for a bullish pump. So nothing else changed, as I said a couple of weeks ago. All right. Nasdaq, same thing here in the sell zone right now. Okay. So pre-market triple Qs is up 0.66%. There was a gap which is filled. I deleted it. Now it's again, now it's opening in a gap up. Now the gap will be filled around 454. So you can expect a little bit of cool down as market opens. And again, price action is all above all moving averages and looking for a new highs in next couple of days. So everything is bullish here. Dow Jones, same thing here. Price, well, this is the weakest of all indices, but it's trying to move above all moving averages. And DIA ETF next target is this gap fill around 390. This is a high low. Got us 9 counts buy signal day before yesterday. Now going for higher prices here. IWM, let's look at Russell 2000. This is the weakest of all actually, and you can see now there's a gap down here around 204. It can go higher or it can come back down lower to fill this gap around 200. So right, it's in the middle. It can either go lower, fill this gap, then go higher, or go higher and then come back down. So you make a choice what it's going to do. And on futures, it looks like it wants to go higher, but it's in the front of many moving averages, so it could be a rejection here. Tesla was weak yesterday, and you can see right now still in the middle zone. 172 is the buy zone, and then there's a gap here around 184. That could be the next target if we get a pump for some reason. I don't know what news will pump it, but that's there. Bitcoin. All right, so Bitcoin is let's zoom this in a bit. So Bitcoin is making a higher low and now trying to go higher. You can look at the indicators. Green line is above red line. This is very bullish sign. So Bitcoin is ready for a pump, and you should not be looking to short here. Okay, so we got a 9 counts buy signal here exactly on 3rd of May. Now looking high, looking very good. Higher high, higher low. Looking for a new highs around 70, 80,000, 80,000. That's the next target. Just remember on BTC futures, there's a gap here around 68. So it will come down at some point to fill that gap. Maybe in after it makes a new high, then also it's possible. Just keep that in mind. Just be mindful of that. Ethereum, same thing, will do whatever Bitcoin is doing. Oh, by the way, the zone on Bitcoin right now, day trading is near sell zone, looking for lower prices. And Ethereum on a day trading chart also going towards sell zone. All right, so and it looks like this is a flag and it's going to go higher on Ethereum ETH, and the next gap is here around 39 36. All right, crude oil was the weakest, and it's bouncing from the buy zone, looking very weak, but this is the area of a lot of confluence here, a lot of support here, so it could go reject here and go down still, but this is the area of support. CNQ and other oil miners are in the buy zone. Just wanted to show here. So there, look, you can see here it's went below second level standard deviation. This is a nice buy here. Let's see if it can recover. We'll see. XOM should be the same case here as well. Hang Seng Index, let's look at that. China is test the sell zone now in the neutral zone as we are talking. Let's quickly look at commodities. Gold. Gold is going towards sell zone. Silver, after massive weakness, going towards neutral zone. Natural gas looking very bullish right now in the middle neutral zone. Copper. Copper is going bouncing from the buy zone. Palladium. And let's look at palladium here. Let me make it auto here. Palladium is also looking for, palladium is looking like it's getting a 9 counts buy signal here. Soybeans. Soybeans is bouncing from the buy zone. Sugar. Sugar is in near sell zone. Wheat. Wheat is in the buy zone, so looking for a bounce here. Corn also is in the buy zone, looking for a bounce. And let's look at big FANG stock. Apple is near sell zone. Amazon is also near sell zone. Netflix is going towards buy zone. Google, Google is near sell zone. Meta, Facebook is near sell zone, and Microsoft is also near sell zone. Snowflakes is near buy zone. NVDA must be near sell zone. AVGO is bouncing from the buy zone, and AMD is also must be bouncing, yeah, bouncing from the buy zone. Qualcomm is in the neutral zone as we are talking. What else is here? Well, that's it. If you need any other stocks to review, let me know. I will put it in my list. And VIX is now crashing. So VIX, I'm expecting to go towards 11 and 12 later on. All right, guys, today is a quick update, and hit your like button on your way out. I'll see you later. Bye.